Over the half-term break, kids and young people and our activities that we do here at church are going to go on a little bit of a break just for that week. But the following week, we'll be back in the building with all our activities. So that's G-Force, Noah's Ark for the little toddlers and babies, and 180 on a Friday night will be just on pause for that week so that we can get regrouped back for when we come back after half-term. So make a note of that. There's no activities for our kids and young people and toddlers on the week of half-term, but you can join us the week after. See you there.
Rushing over me, my eyes are open and I see that you were here all along, and I am found in you, and I can't let you go, and all my fears are falling to the ground, and I can finally.
Did you know that you can now sign up for new events, make donations, and check out what we're doing right here on these fancy tablets, right here in the foyer. So if you want to make donations or sign up for things, head here, tap along, and you can just get signed up for things. So have a go on them later, guys. They're in the foyer.
We are free because of you. We are free because of you. Oh God, you gave it.
On the last Wednesday of this month, there will be no prayer and Bible study, but that's because we're going to be leafleting and introducing people to Excel Church. This is going to be around the local new estates that are around the Bilston area. So if you'd like to come along to meet new people and to leaflet with us, then do come along and sign up online to let us know that you're coming. It's happening on the 27th of October. It's the last Wednesday of this month, and we'd love to see you there to help us meet new people. So if you want to come along, sign up online. And that's all for Excel News. So if you'd like any more information, head to our website or get us on social media, and have a great week, guys.